If you want to see more South African travel and adventure videos, then subscribe and ring the bell, and let's travel together. Mpumalanga in South Africa is known for its breathtaking natural beauty, from the rolling hills to the cascading waterfalls. But nestled in the heart of this province lies a geological wonder that has captured the imagination of locals and visitors alike: Bourkes Potholes. The unusual name comes from a gold prospector named Tom Bourke, who in the 1880s correctly predicted that large deposits of alluvial gold would be found in the area. Unfortunately, he staked his claim in the wrong area and did not strike it rich. Today, Bourkes Potholes is a popular tourist destination, with visitors from all over the world coming to marvel at the beauty of these natural wonders. But it wasn't always this way. For many years, Bourkes Potholes was a hidden gem, known only to locals and a few intrepid explorers. But that all changed in the 1970s, when the Blyde River Canyon Nature Reserve was established, and the potholes were opened up to the public. Bourkes Potholes is a series of cylindrical rock formations that have been carved out by the forces of nature over millions of years. Located in the Blyde River Canyon Nature Reserve, these potholes are a testament to the power of water and the beauty it can create. As more and more people have come to visit Bourkes Potholes, concerns have been raised about the impact on the environment. Foot traffic and erosion from visitors can damage the delicate rock formations, and litter and pollution can harm the surrounding ecosystem. Conservationists report that it's important that they need to balance the need to share these natural wonders with the public as well as the need to protect them for future generations. That's why they work hard to educate visitors about how to minimize their impact on the environment and preserve the potholes for years to come. Despite these challenges, Bourkes Potholes remains a testament to the power and beauty of nature. And as long as we continue to respect and protect these wonders, they will continue to inspire and amaze us for generations to come. Situated in the northeast of South Africa's Mpumalanga province, the Blyde River Canyon is thought to be the third largest canyon in the world. Measuring 25 kilometers in length and averaging around 750 meters in depth, it's also the world's largest green canyon. It is part of the Drakensberg escarpment and follows the route of the Blyde River, which tumbles over the escarpment cliffs into Blyde Riviere Port Dam and the lush lowveld below. The canyon's geological history began millions of years ago when the Drakensberg escarpment was formed as the ancient supercontinent of Gondwana began to break apart. Over time, the initial fault line that created the escarpment tilted upwards as a result of geological movement and erosion, forming the towering cliffs that make the canyon so impressive today. A wide variety of animal and bird life depends upon the incredible range of different habitats found at various altitudes along the canyon's length. Lush vegetation and an ample water supply helped to attract a large number of antelope species, including klipspringer, mountain reedbuck, waterbuck, blue wildebeest, and kudu. Blyde Riviere Port Dam is home to hippos and crocodiles, while all 5 South African primate species can be seen within the Blyde River Canyon Nature Reserve. Avian species are particularly prolific here, making the Blyde River a top destination for birders. Specials include the elusive Pell's fishing owl and the vulnerable blue swallow, while the steep cliffs of the canyon provide the ideal nesting conditions for the endangered Cape vulture. Most famously, the reserve supports South Africa's only known breeding site of the rare Taita falcon. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Bourkes Potholes. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like as it helps us bring you new content.